In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Connected Devices. And when you're ready, Connection Preferences. Over here, select Printing section, and once you do, you can either click on the footprint service or any other service you have and wanna use. You can even hit Add Service here and download perfect one for your printer from Google Play Store. Either way, when you click on it, to activate it, use gray switcher next to Use Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip: if you still can't connect, enable Print Service and wait for 3 dots at the top right corner to show up. When they do, click on them. Tap on Add Printer in the pop-up, and if your printer supports Wi-Fi Direct printing, use gray switcher to activate it. If you never used it before, make sure to tap on Allow in the pop-up. Then hit Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers and let your smartphone look for yours. You can also hit Add Printer by IP address, input it here and connect manually by selecting Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!